Hello again and welcome to this new video on avoidant attachment. And one of the things that happens with avoidant attachment is independence feels safer. So avoidant attachment develops when the emotional needs are dismissed or too overwhelming for caregivers. Depends on what's going on in their environment, whether how many other children. I mean, if you're unfortunate enough to be the last of a number of close together siblings, your caregiver or parent might not have the time, the energy, the headspace, or the resources to immediately respond to your needs, or as quickly as you might ideally need them responded to. It's not necessarily somebody's fault. It can be just what the situation was that you were born into, and that's one of those things. The child learns to rely on self-sufficiency rather than connection, and then what comes out of that in adulthood, this can appear as emotional distance, discomfort with dependence, or a withdrawal during intimacy. And actually, intimacy can feel overwhelming and kind of engulfing, and that there's a loss of self in it. So avoidance is a strategy for safety. It's not a flaw. It's a strategy that you developed to feel safe. It's not about a lack of care. So the three questions to tune into and understand yourself, if that's your attachment style. When do you pull away in relationships? So think over any relationships that you've had historically and notice, when do you tend to pull away or withdraw in the relationship? And what emotions feel difficult to share? um, you know, if you want to express how you feel, what is it that sometimes is difficult about that? And the third question is, what did you learn about needing others? And it may be that the circumstances of your life were such that your caregivers weren't always able to be there for you, either through their own um, lack of personal maturity or resources or circumstances. But what did you learn about needing others, and how does that imprint on you? So I leave you with that. And if you find this helpful, click like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video, which is about disorganized attachment. I'll see you then. Bye for now. Bye.